All right, if it's a parallelogram, then opposite sides must be congruent. So take the top and bottom green sides, for example. They must be congruent, which means their lengths must be equal. All right, now it's an algebra problem. So let's collect all of the terms on one side, then set them equal to 0. I'm going to collect them all on the right because my squared term will be my leading term. I want to keep it positive. Then to get rid of this 2x, we'll have to subtract 2x from both sides. And then to get rid of this plus 1, we'll have to subtract 1 from both sides. All right, that leaves us with nothing on the left, and then x squared minus 2x minus 7 minus 1. Minus 7 and minus 1 is negative 8. All right, so from algebra class last year, you learned that if you ever have the quadratic equation, your first step should be to try to factor if possible. So first times first is first. Last times last should be negative 8. So that can be positive 2 and negative 4, or negative 2 and positive 4. And recall that while first times first is x squared, and last times last is negative 8, which gives us the x squared and the negative 8. To get this middle term, that comes from the outside product, x times 2, and negative 4 times x. 2x and negative 4x combines to give us negative 2x, which is in the middle. So we've got it. All right, so once you've got your factors multiplied by each other equaling 0, then the zero product property says that one of those factors has to be 0. So either x plus 4 is 0, or x minus 4 is 0, or x plus 2 is 0. So x is equal to 4, or x is equal to negative 2. All right, so we found x, value of x, it's 4. But we're also supposed to find the perimeter of the parallelogram. So if x is 4, then this will be 16 minus 5, which is 11. This will be 4 squared, or 16 minus 7, which is 9. 2 times 4 is 8 plus 1, which is 9. And 3 times 4, which is 12 minus 1, which is 11. Notice the opposite sides are congruent. That's right. So the perimeter is equal to 9 plus 11 plus 9 plus 11, which is 40.